Welcome to the new era of clean and powerful skincare. Lasier's Rejuvenating Radiance Serum's revolutionary formula is the ultimate solution to healthier, younger-looking skin. Incredibly effective, it's packed with potent amounts of clinically tested and proven active ingredients that address the most common signs of aging without using harmful chemicals. And it's so easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. First, cleanse your face and neck with water and a Norwex makeup remover cloth or a body cloth. Then, squeeze 1 to 2 drops of our breakthrough serum into your palm and gently press it onto your face and neck. Our lightweight yet concentrated serum is formulated to absorb quickly, so the active ingredients soak into the skin to help you look and feel younger. Next, apply your day moisturizer. Moisturizers are rich with larger molecules that don't usually absorb as deep or as fast as serums, so they lock in the potent actives in our Rejuvenating Radiance Serum. Follow with the facial sunscreen for your daily SPF protection, and then apply makeup if desired. At night, after cleansing your face, apply the serum before your night moisturizer. Your sleep, rest, and repair cycle is incredibly important to your skincare routine, so always be sure to apply our serum both day and night for optimal results. And you can feel confident using Norwex skincare around the clock. Norwex follows the strictest standards for safety and quality to ensure harmful chemicals never go on or in your body. Our products feature the best of science and nature, clean and super effective ingredients free from harmful chemicals. Reduce the visible signs of aging and restore a more youthful, radiant glow naturally.